So I'm gonna go back to the entrance and then bang a right and see if I can get down onto the, because there's a beach area down there where I just showed you guys. I don't even know what kind of fish that is. Guys, we're back at it again. Another video for you. First cast of the day here. I'm gonna move down here some more because there's a little island right there for structure instead of kind of just chucking it out in the middle. But I'm gonna just make some casts while I'm on my way down there. I'm literally sinking right now. I don't even know. This is probably not the best idea, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. There is a huge bird right there chilling. All right, we're gonna fish this island. This bird is so pissed off, look at it. This bird is just grilling the hell out of me right now. Like, it thinks I'm gonna make my way to the island and like steal its kids. Look at it. I don't know what that is. I think it's an osprey or... I've literally hit this whole spot. There's nothing here. At least, I don't think there is. So I'm gonna keep moving down here, fishing off the beach. Yeah, I see you, bro. What's up? It's insane what you find in some spots. I literally just found this gun that washed up. It's like a freaking pellet gun or something. Just fresh kicks, man. Look at that. I'm gonna keep moving on. I'll let that osprey up there keep complaining because that bird is driving me insane.